People keep asking me what I actually check, and I say I'm doing an AI visibility. So I figured I'll just show you. It's not asking ChatGPT about a company once and calling it. This is the real process I run on every company right now for free, or I build up case studies. 3 phases, and I'm going to walk through one or two checks from each so you can see exactly what this looks like and probably run it on your own site after. First phase is technical. Before anything else, man, I check robots.txt. Here's one I put up earlier. This is just yourdomain.com/robot. I'm scanning for any disallow rule sitting on GPT bots, Perplexity bots, or Google extended. If one of these is blocked, none of the rest of the audit matters. The AI literally can't read the site. Second thing in this phase, I check if the content is even visible without JavaScript. Right-click View Page Source, not Inspect. I search for the page actual headline in the raw HTML. If it's not there, the page loaded fine for a human, but it's blank to a crawler. Second phase is content structure. This one's simple and it catches almost everyone. I read only the first 100 words of the homepage. Here's a screenshot of one I checked. The question is, does it answer plainly what the company does and who it's for? A lot of homepages spend that space on a tagline and a hero image instead of an actual answer. I also scan headings, H1s, H2s and H3s. Features as a header tells an AI nothing. How we automate invoice tracking answers a question. Small change, big difference in what gets put into a summary. Third phase. This is the one people find most interesting. I take the same 5 to 10 questions a real buyer will ask and I run them against ChatGPT and Perplexity. Here's a screenshot from one I ran. A plain existence check. What company and what problem does it solve? Sometimes the answer is accurate, sometimes it's outdated, sometimes there's just nothing there at all. And those are two completely different problems with two different fixes. Then I run the comparison query, company versus their top competitor. This is the one that strings a title because it's the exact question a buyer asks right now before they make the decision. So that's the actual part. Technical structure, then trust. Not a guess, not a vibe check. If you want to know where your own company lands on this, click on the link in the description below.